Even please confirm, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes,
Okay, thank
yes,
you.
Ms. Bhavani, you are audible. And
Okay,
very
sir.
good evening, everyone.
Actually, I was trying to contract you. Okay, now, so shall we begin?
Does anyone join?
Yeah, we do have some set of participants. Let's begin. It's already time.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
no, I have given them a task until everyone join. So, my dear friends, kindly go open the link. Is the link is visible for everyone? Ms. Bhavani, you can start the recording, please.
Yes, recording has been started already. We
Good.
can begin the session. Okay.
Yes. So, dear friends, as the beginning of today's session, kindly go and click the link. Can you find the link in the chat? Does anyone couldn't recognize it? If not, I'll paste it again.
Yes, sir, it is there.
I have pasted it, Jyoti.
Yeah, you have pasted. Correct. Yes. Please go through the link. I'll give you 3 minutes. I want your input. What you can understand from this link. Yes. Because yesterday we have discussed what's our objective and what as a team you have to do. Is what you guys understood? What they are trying to say in this particular database, drug bank?
So, Chandra, before starting, I have one thing to be addressed
Yes.
here.
Yeah.
Syed Fatima is present here. Miss Fatima, I can see you in
So,
participant list. I'm asking about Fatima. Yeah. Can you hear me?
so the
Nächste Station.
Valid.
Berlin
Please
Zoologische.
unmute yourself.
Bitte beachten Sie den Spalt.
yep.
Yeah. Let's. Yeah. Fatima, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
There is a request from you regarding this project report submission. Have you submitted it?
No, I have not. I will do it by tonight.
You will be doing by tonight.
Yeah.
And Chandra, I have one thing to be clarified here. Hope you remember that yesterday I told you Fatma will be submitting her report shortly. I think she will be submitting it by today, hopefully. So we have a kind request. Can you please evaluate it after it has been submitted and allocate her in the group she has to be present? Is that okay for you? Dr. Chandra?
Yes. Come again, please.
Yeah. Actually, we have Fatima here. Yesterday, she was unable to submit her PDF, I mean the project report. By today,
Okay.
she will be submitting it. So if we have kind request, like you can evaluate her report and if possible, you can put her in the group based on the project report. Is that okay?
You're not placed in any group so far?
She has been allocated, I think, fourth or fifth group, I don't remember. But we just want you to evaluate her report.
Yeah, that we
again.
can do, but what we can say, we can't change the group, right? We need to change the group only, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, let's see. Let's give her a chance, not only for you, those who haven't submitted the report. I just want to make a point. Those who haven't submitted the report yet, you can submit it by today. And based on your report, you will evaluate you and put up in a group.
Yeah, but the kind request, it should be done today because we are
Yes.
getting prepared for next report. So
Yeah.
those who are not submitted as instructed by the team, kindly submit today. If not, it won't be considered for evaluation.
Ashita, I couldn't get you. Maybe you can connect with me in Telegram forum regarding this. And Fatima, is that clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Chandra, we can continue.
Yes, thank you. See, going to today's class. So what you guys can understand is today we are going to perform molecular docking. Fine. For molecular docking, what are the two important components required for us? So far we are dealing with protein and ligand, right? What is the docking? What is called docking? Who can explain me what is called docking?
To assess the interactions between the protein and the ligand, and so that the ligand fits into the protein in a lock and key method like that.
Okay. So molecular ligand sits in the protein. Fine. So what will happen if it's so? What is the objective of doing that work?
We can predict the perfect or the right orientation of the drug when it binds to the target.
Okay. So we are trying to predict the orientation. Am I right? But is that molecular docking is enough for predicting the orientation? Is it enough for that, predicting the orientation? Or do we need something else? See, I have docked. Is it enough I stop over there? Or what else I have to do?
Need to simulate.
Yes, need to simulate. So, okay, simulation is second step. Even after docking, what I have to check? What is the main thing I have to check?
Affinity, the binding affinity, and
Yeah, of course. We have to check the binding affinity. Clear? And why I'm asking very confidently is I have taught this in the very first class. You all remember the first class when we have an intro session? I have shown some docking interactions. Yes or no? How many of you agree with me? Yes, Tanvin remembers. What about others? Do you want me to show the slides again?
Sir,
Can
you
we go?
can show the slides again.
Yeah, that will be helpful. I think most of you might have not attended. Yes, wait a minute. I'm resharing it. So this is about the molecular scope. My slide should be visible now. Yes, before going into the slides, you all remember this? In our intro class, we have discussed this. Yes, hope you all remember.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I have discussed in this, what is the purpose of docking and dynamics over here? How can we replace the real-time situation? Like instead of doing experiments, how can we skip it? No, by now you have to say, because you have done all these experiments. So I don't want to take the compounds from a plant or any source. Rather, what I have done so far.
databases, taking the information from databases.
Structure of
Yes, now you should be very familiar. What database you will use?
PDB and PubChem.
No, to be very specific. Now my question is only anti-cancer plant to plant extract. So you use PDB or a PubChem?
PubChem.
Yes, for ligands you have to take PubChem. Clear? Then where do we use PDB? What is the place we have to use PDB? Where I'm putting? Where is 3D structures of target receptors? Over here, right? Is my screen visible? I have changed the slide. Is my pointer visible, my dear friends? So where
Yes, sir,
tick mark?
visible.
Yeah, where I put tick mark for 3D structures or target receptors? So we
In
have been,
vitro studies and in vivo studies.
yeah. So this is like we are taking a target protein where our drug have to act upon. Clear? Our drug have to act upon. Am I right? So in our case, what is the target receptor? My dear friends, what we are seeing so far these many days, like we are in 8th day. So many days, what we have seen so far. What is our target receptor?
TEM1.
Yes, TEM1. Okay, can we, since the groups are big, now I can lightly broaden it up, like beta lactamase. What is our target receptor? Beta lactamase.
Beta lactamase.
Beta lactamase, yes. But only for this will be applicable for 15 days group. The 3 months group will get even more better target receptors because beta lactamase is a well-studied protein. Clear? Since we have to push till the level of publications, we are looking for novel target receptors. Hope I'm discussing with the team, Neighborman team. Once it confirmed, you guys will have a special class. First 3 people, first 3 students, fine. Since because we have to carry forward for next few steps. For everyone, we are going to continue with this. Is that clear? Am I making clear? Team group 1,
Yes.
2, 3. Yes, group 1, 2, 3. We will be dealing with different target receptors so that our papers are target. Yeah, we are getting a better position of our papers. Clear? Yes. Others, don't worry. Whatever I gave you now is also a very good one. You know. But already, what is going on? Already, lot of papers were there. Okay, we have to find some novelty. Right. Let us do as a proof of concept. Let's do as a proof of concept. We'll come back. Let me show it again. So before carrying forward, let me reconfirm what is called molecular docking, my dear friends. It's a computational method to predict what? Preferred orientation of one molecule to the second. Am I audible? What happened suddenly? Why you are all quiet?
You're audible, sir.
Yeah. So it's preferred of one molecule to second, right? Where the target is bound to each other. What is the ultimate of that target? It should be a stable complex. It should be a stable complex. Is it making sense? Why it should be a stable complex? See, if I want to be stable, what type of condition I should acquire?
Less energy.
Yeah, very good. You remember this. Very good. So we have to spend less energy. Then I am stable. Clear? This is the key point. This is first key point. Then what is the second key point? What should be considered?
Binding affinity.
Yeah, binding affinity, bound to each other. These 2 things are very important parameters. Again, under binding affinity, hope you all remember what are the different types of interactions we will evaluate. Again, this is the assignment of first day class. What are the different types of interactions we have?
Non-covalent interactions.
Exactly, non-covalent interactions. Can some of you name it?
Hydrogen bonds, van der Waals forces.
Okay, hydrogen, van der Waals. Yes, Tanvin, you are about to say something.
Sir, I was about to say hydrogen bonds only.
Yeah, hydrogen bonds, correct.
Hydrogen bonds.
What else? Hydrogen, van der Waals.
Electrostatic.
Electrostatic, very good. What is the other name of electrostatic, Mr. Onalapo? You remember what is the other name of electrostatic? So you said electrostatic.
Ionic bonds.
Yeah, very good. Ionic bonds. Electrovalent can be otherwise called as ionic bonds. You all remember about salt bridges? Have you heard of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, salt bridges are there. Very, very important interactions we forgot. Can anyone recall?
Hydrophobic
Hydrophobic.
interactions.
Exactly.
Hydrophobic.
Exactly. Hydrophobic interactions. Clear? So these are the important interactions. So we'll have a glimpse of it. So today's session, we will be learning how to prepare a document for docking. Okay. If time permits, we will look at the interactions. If not, we will proceed further. Clear? Look at here. You all recall, can you able to recall this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, these all you should remember. So we are going to achieve this. You being as a team, you are going to make choose some few ligands. For choosing ligands, it will be a group activity. Fine. Your protein and ligand will be a group activity. For the group activity only, I have shared a link. So in your laptops, kindly open the link. Okay. And keep your telegrams active. Everyone have got your group members, got introduced to your group members. First of all, you joined in the group.
Sir, can you reshare the link?
It's in Telegram. Just a minute. Ms. Bhavani, are we sharing any link to join or they can go directly to Telegram?
You had in which link, Dr. Chandra? You mean the group link or what?
Yeah, group link, yes.
It's already created in the Telegram forum on their respective groups.
Okay, so if they go to Telegram, they can access, I hope, correct?
Yes, yes, yeah.
So dear friends, please have a check.
Please, yeah, the participants kindly check with your email, registered mail email address. You might have received a link for joining today, right? In that we have separate session mentioning about the Telegram. Hope you all joined it also, isn't it? Let me know if any of you face any issue.
Ma'am, group 3 isn't being created.
It's already created, Indranil. So please check with that.
One second.
Please cross check because from today onwards, it will be a group activity. Hope it should be started earlier, but anyhow, from today onwards, it's a group activity. Please ensure, go to your respective teams and say hi each other.
Group is already there, Indranil. Please check it once.
Yes, go to your Telegram, please.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Others, do you face any issue? I think group 1 is already active. Group 2 also started discussing.
Good.
4 to 8. No response. What happened?
We are cross checking. You have to say hi and start introduction to your respective groups. I will give you 2 minutes. Please do that so that I will share your own link and we are going to decide. Those who are not present in the group, no issues. They will connect after seeing this.
Anyone from group 4 is present here?
Ma'am, actually, other group members of mine, members are actually, they are not using Telegram, so that we connected in WhatsApp.
They are not in. We already connected in WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please do one thing? Can you please add me in your WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
Officially, it should not be done without informing us, but still it has already. You have already
Yesterday
created.
they told that they'll be connecting to WhatsApp. Yeah, I'll ask them to add you too.
Yeah, yes, please kindly. Hope you have my number, right? Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you send your number in the chat, please? Or
Yes.
to
Yeah, yeah.
So your group started active, my dear friends. Someone still pending?
Dr. Chandra, I think these are the active group members. Yeah.
Good. Good.
Facets already started discussing. And 4 told they will be discussing in WhatsApp. And
Okay.
1 to 3 is already active.
Good, good. If that's the case, we'll start from group number 4 to 8. Yeah, 4 to 8. So whatever I'm going to show you now is applicable for only group number 4 to 8. First 3 groups, you will have a separate protein to work. But however, for today's session, we all practice with a common protein. Clear? We all will practice with the common protein and ligand. But anyhow, I'll just introduce to the work. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Meanwhile, along with me,
Dr.
you please-
Chandra, a quick confirmation. Do we have any manual for today's session?
yes, it will be shared shortly. I'm making a small change in
There
it.
is a request to add to get the manual, so that's why I just wanted
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the reminder.
Mr. Ronalapo, as Dr. Chandru mentioned now, you will be receiving a manual short.
Yes, I'm making a small change. Please wait.
Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yes,
Fine.
yes.
Okay. So group number 4, please raise your hands. Keep your hands raised. So out of 5, 4 people were there. Am I right? Yes. Okay, please listen. See, you are going to work in avibactam. So you all remember, I guess, we have discussed this also. Next, we are going to choose an inhibitor that will inhibit the beta lactamase. Okay. So in this particular link, we have a set of inhibitors. Okay. If you go to show, yes. Any doubts? Yeah, 5 people are there. That's your thing, right? Thank you all. So guys, please keep your hands raised until I say. So all the 5 people, your ligand of interest will be avibactam. Clear? So see, this is the avibactam. I want to put in the group chat. You all remember the name? You can chat this in the share this in the Telegram group, your respective Telegram group. The name is avibactam. Clear? Now, how to start with? Regarding your avibactam, we have several follow-up links. Can you all see here?
Yes.
So it's not only TEM. Okay, it's not only TEM. We have SHV1, SHV2, SHV1, and keeps on going. The list is endless. Right? You all can see, right? Not only from this link, you can search anywhere. How you are going to perform avibactam with beta lactamase. That's your task. So beta lactamase, again, there are 4 classes of beta lactamase. Yes. Are you talking to me?
Oh, Chandru, it's by mistake, I guess.
Okay, fine. Right.
Can we
Sorry
sign
by
it?
mistake.
Okay,
Yeah,
no problem.
sorry.
Yeah. Chandru, we can continue.
Yeah, thank you. The thing is, dear team, what's your target? You can answer me.
Beta lactamase.
Yeah, that's you are clear now. It can be any beta lactamase. Okay. We are going to find a beta lactamase. That's our target. Initially, we started with TEM, but with TEM, we can't fit in a lot of inhibitors. But now you have an idea of how to share and how to get. Clear? Okay, that's your thing. That will fix in. Right. Thank you. You can lower your hands. Use all your techniques, like how we ask you to search in PubChem, how we ask you to search in PubMed. Okay, as a team, you discuss and go and perform in PubMed. Then try to bring in the ligands. We need at least 10 ligands. Clear? Right? Once you bring in 10 ligands, whatever I'm going to give instructions now is for common for everyone. Dasari and Bhavana, you can lower your hands. Thank you. Yes, thank you. I'll show you a template. How you are going to present in the next class, we will discuss that. Fine. In the meanwhile, you start preparing. I think now itself I can show, I guess. I'm going back to the slide. Is my slide visible again?
Yes.
Yeah. Now look at here. This is the template we shared previously. Okay. For example, this is group number 1. Okay. Group number 1, you all have to mention your active member names. Fine, 5 member names you have to mention. And this we will evaluate. This yes or no will be ticked by myself and our team. Dr. Vasavi ma'am and few more people will sit in the discussion where you have to confirm your inputs, both receptor and ligand. Fine. And what else you have to confirm? You have to confirm the PDB ID of your ligand or even the template. If it is not available, how we are going to start with? Hope you remember. And literature review. How many paper you have read? As a team, you have to find. And now, among the papers you read, I want the best 2 papers. DOA of the best 2 papers. Clear? And what is called positive control? Any idea? Have you heard of the term called FDA?
Yes, sir.
FDA. So FDA approved drugs will be a positive control. Clear? Or drugs existing in the market. If you are working in that aspect, we have to do a positive control. This is to have a landmark. For example, if you are running a gel, will you keep a ladder, right? Yes, it's similar to that. Since we have the, what's the purpose of having a ladder? Please make it fast. What's the purpose of having a ladder? AR, gel, you remember ladder, they will have known molecular weights. Clear? That's the purpose. Same way, we are having a positive control. We know the exact number of interactions, or we know it will interact well in that way. And I also want aim objectives. So this common slide will be shared as a PPT format after this class. Clear? Am I making sense? Yes, thank you. Now we are going back to the selection of ligands and proteins. So group number 5, please raise your hands. Group 5. So you can make a note of your group. Like it is clavulanic acid. Clavulanic acid. Clavulanic acid. You can start discussing in your group. I'm highlighting. Clavulanic acid. It's visible, right? So it's a known inhibitor of beta lactamase. You try to find few more. I want at least 10 ligands. 10 ligands and 1 fixed protein. It's up to you to bring in. Clear? Any doubts? Team number, group number 5. No? Thank you. You can lower your hands. Any doubts, you can text me or ask me. No doubts? Okay. Yes. What else? You are clear? Can we proceed? If you are clear, please give a thumbs up. All the 3 members, those are present. Group number 5. Thank you. Thank you. Please lower. Thank you. Now, let's move on to group number 4. Sorry, 4 is done. 5 is done. 6. Group 6. Please raise your hand. So your thing is Darlobactam. Darlobactam. Clear? It can be in different combinations. You can take multiple proteins or multiple ligands, but you should start with this. Clear? Any doubts? At least one protein you have to dock and show, but along with this, you can choose multiple targets. It's up to you. Clear? Please start with Darlobactam. See, there are even a study of repurposing some ligands, or I also have a study of Darlobactam applications in several other proteins in different aspects. Okay, focus upon that. Thank you. Please lower your hands. Any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Karthik, any doubt? Yeah, thank you, Karthik. Yes. So we are done with 4, 5, 6. Now, moving on to group number 7. Is there anyone from group number 7? No one? First of all, you guys are aware which group you are? Those who are not aware which group you are, please let us know. If you are aware, no need to raise the hands. If you are not aware, please let us know. Raise your hands and let us know. Okay, it should be considered today. Anyone from group 8? Yeah, Fatima, fine, good. Only one person from your group?
But Dr. Chandru, Fatima is the one who need to submit a report, and we mentioned we will be allocating her based on the work, based on her work.
Okay. That
Maybe we can do one thing. You can verbally say say about group 7 and group 8 project work. So if they are reviewing the recording, they will know what they have to do. Is that fine?
Yeah, fine. I'll put us at I'll add in the PPT and put in the group after this.
Okay.
It will be Relibactam and Sulbactam. But however, as yesterday's thing, I'll add as their PPT. Okay. To reconfirm, everyone can check your thing. Fatima, if you are alone, we can fit in some 4-member group. Is some 4-member group is there, no?
Yes,
Like group?
we do have. Let me check with her.
Yeah, check with her. The reason is I couldn't find any members from group 8 and group 7. At least group 8 only one member is there. No one is there in group 7. We have to cross check. If not,
I think she can be allotted in group 6.
Yes, better we can alert.
Yeah, we have 4 members. Fatima, is that okay for you?
Yes, sure.
But you have to submit your report, ma. If not, it's not a justice
Yes, I
for
will
others.
do it. Yes, sir.
Yeah, today we need, okay? Before tomorrow's class.
Kindly submit your report by today, and for time being, you will be in group 6. I think I have already heard about the topics of group 6, and it's also posted in the respective group. Please check with that. Is that clear?
Yes, it is clear. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, Chandra, we can continue.
Thank you. So that's all for allotment. This is the tentative. You can start with. You try to bring some novelty. Clear? Among the discussion. Regarding group 1, 2, and 3, we'll shortly get a mail. Okay, by tomorrow you'll get a mail for the special meeting and the set of ligands and receptors. Am I making sense? Okay. Now it's time for us to move on to today's work. Today's work we are going to work in Pyrex. Hope everyone remember. I think, sorry, I have not given the instruction regarding Pyrex, but I'll share a link now. Kindly install. It will take hardly 2 minutes to install. You can type PYRX. If you guys find it tough, I'm sharing a link in the chat. This link is for Windows, but I am 100% sure that the same thing will work for other versions too. I think we have a participant from Mac, right? Who is having a Mac.
And Chandra, there is a message in chat asking for group 3 details. Indranil,
I think Indranil is. I think Indranil is
yes.
not listening to the statement. Indranil,
Group 1,
what
2,
I,
and 3, just before it was mentioned that regarding your project work, you will be receiving an official mail by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Hope that is clear. Whoever had,
I thought
and there
it was only
yeah,
for ligands, not for proteins. So I just
no, don't confuse. Target protein and ligand will be shared with you. Fine, because first 3 groups are you are joined in a way you have to proceed for manuscript. Correct.
yes, sir.
So special care have to be taken for you. Regarding group 5, Nisha, just now we mentioned. Any others from group 5? What ligand I have mentioned you? You can chat in the group. Chat in the
and also group 1 we started discussing about history. Please ensure we haven't decided your protein and ligand yet. You will be receiving an official mail regarding that. Group 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3, please be patient till tomorrow. Yes. Thank you.
to answering to Onalapo's chat, yes, Pyrex is also available for Linux. If you can't find, I'll share again the chat. The first link is for everyone. Those who are using Windows. Please download and install as soon as possible. If anyone is facing problem with installation, please raise your hands. Give us a note.
Ms. Nisha have joined late, it seems. Hope you are aware of what's happening because we have already posted in Telegram today. Can you please check with your group members in the Telegram forum regarding what's going on in the session? Nisha, can you hear me?
Yes, actually, I joined late, so I am actually lacking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard. I will be checking the Telegram.
Fine. Thank you.
So is Pyrus done for everyone? Those who are installed successfully, please keep your hands raised. Yeah, only 2 people got successful. What about others? Okay, try. If you are facing issue, let me know. We are waiting for you. Please make us up. Okay, if you're done with that, go to your study materials in Drive. I posted the day 8 manual. Please open that. Make it fast, my dear friends. I can see only 2 hands. Why? What happened? Others are facing installation issues. Mr. Malappa, you can't find the manual? Just a minute, let me recheck.
I found it.
Found it. Day 8 manual is there.
Yeah, I found it. I found it. Thanks.
Yes. Yes, come on, start. Let's start. So your manual should be visible like this.
Dr. Chandra, there is a query in chat. Could you please check that? Or do you want to verbally announce it now?
Yeah, let me see. Thank you. It is installing for me. Take while due to network unstable. Okay, fine. Let it install. Oh, to answering to Lena, actually we are going to do Autodoc Vina. There is no change in it, but the interface is changing. Okay. If I see the manual, if you see the manual, can you see Autodoc icon? Lena, are you hearing? Okay, we are literally performing Autodoc Vina, but this Pyrex, no, they have assembled many softwares all together. See, we used to do in different software versions, but I found it very useful and very simple. Clear now? Welcome. Many few people know to use this, but anyhow, if you are knowing, you can be 100% sure that it is also Autodoc. Okay, this is like a platter. All the different things served together. Like 6 people only done so far. Let us wait for a few more minutes. Yes, 7 done. Good. Okay, the 8 people who have raised your 10 people who have raised your hands, I have simultaneously shared the protein and ligand in the day 8 folder. Go to your Google Drive. Try to find that in the folder. Yes, 11 people have completed. Yes, Fatima, we are waiting. No problem, we are waiting. In the meanwhile, let it install. All of you try to open the protein, what I have shared. Okay, those are listening. Can you help me? How to change the surface of this? Where should I click? I want to convert this into a surface model, a surface representation, and I want to color it gray. Who is going to help me?
Ray. Draw and Ray.
Ray, directly I have to go to Ray. Mr. Onalapo, it is there in a folder called day 8. Sorry. Are you getting me? It's in day 8 folder. There you can find the protein and ligand. Yes, again, it's not Ray, ma. Can you say what are the other ways? You all remember these 4 buttons?
Yes, sir, we can go on action. Show.
One by one. Yes, Kohli.
Show. The show.
Show. Very good. So I have to go to show. Click.
Surface.
Yeah, good. So again, to change the color, where is the option?
Colors.
Yeah, I can show gray. But my, see, I completely changed into gray. But even though if I want to look at the ribbons and surface together, what option I can use? Any guesses? No? Okay, the reason I'll show that. The reason I have chosen this protein is it's a super protein which is acting as a channel. Okay, it's called a key protein which is acting as a channel. Can you see the channel? Once the docking is complete, you guys can appreciate how well the ligand will be docked. I think that we'll see in the next class, how the ligand will be docked. But as of now, we are going to convert this format into PDB-QT format. Clear? Okay, this is our protein. So always before starting, you guys can take the picture of your protein. Okay. Kindly mute yourself. Someone's mic is on. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, then only you have to go to Ray. You have to type Ray, or you can press Ray anywhere, so that we can save this. Same time, you also can check your ligand. So we are going to keep with ligand. This is for common practice. Other things you can do with your own protein, set of proteins and ligands. Clear? Am I making sense? Yes. So Mr. Vladimir, that is there in the chat. You can find it. You couldn't find?
No, because I exited the meeting and I started again, so I cannot see the.
No props. Can you able to access the Google Drive?
Yes, I am, but I don't see still the manual from day 8, sorry.
Look at here. Don't go to day 8. Go inside manual folder. Here. Even you want, I can share there also. Day 8.
Fatima, just reload the page once more. I think you will be able to see.
I think Fatima is waiting for her program to install. That's her question. Yes, those who are installed can lower your hands. Thank you all. Now let's start. It's already time up. Even though it's taking time, don't worry. Just observe the class today. Clear? So I have shown the protein so far. Same way, I can also open my ligand. Yes, my ligand's name is acacetin that I have shared. Clear? So we have seen both our protein and ligand. And again, this also you can name and color. I don't want to recolor because we are having a distinct colors for different atoms. Can someone say what is the color of red? What red indicates? Which atom the red color indicates? Someone is answering chat. Yeah, it's a question that everyone having access to the manual. Hope everyone should have. And now come back to the question. What does the red color indicates? No idea? It indicates oxygen atom, correct? How do I know which color indicates which atom? What way I can label? So answer is there in the question. Go to label and give atom names. Can you see here? All the atom names. Same way, you guys also have to take your ligand and name like this and then give ray option and say. See, and one more common thing I can observe is everyone are facing this issue of watermark. Am I right? So in such case, kindly save file session so that I can help in future. Clear? If you send the session file to me, I can take the high quality image and give back to you. Yes, Nisha, you have any answer, any questions to be discussed, or you are indicating that you have completed installation?
No, sir.
Yeah, good. Now, our protein and ligand is ready. Can we go to Pyrex now? If you are successfully installed, you should see a screen like this. It should load like this, Pyrex. It's not only a virtual screening tool, it's an efficient tool for docking. Some of our friends have asked, is it some other software? No, it's not some other software, it's an Autodoc. And again, in Autodoc, we have a refined version called Autodoc Mina. So that is also given here. You all remember OpenBabel? Yeah, we have also OpenBabel here. And apart from that, we also have a Python shell. So we can execute some Python commands. We also screen for 2D plots. Okay. And create the tables. These are my previous tables. So we are not going to explore everything. It's up to you to explore later. Let's focus upon today's molecules. Right. Can we load our molecule now? Is it everyone ready? Yeah. Onalapo, what happened? Is there in
I
the...
was about to say the same. Yep.
Onalapo, please refresh your Gmail or close and open again Google Drive.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. What I have to say? Yes, we'll start. So very simple. File, load molecule. File, load molecule, and load your protein. Can everyone see the protein at the side? Yes, I'll wait for a few minutes. Come on, make it fast. Once you're done with that, you should see a screen like this. Once you're done with that, we'll have a hand raise. Don't worry, I won't often disturb the hand raise. This is for the initial phase. Remaining we'll do after 5 steps again. Only 5 people loaded successfully. What about others? Should see like this, as mentioned in the manual. You guys have to see the 3D scene at the right side, and you should have a navigator, okay, in the left side. Yeah, 9 people successfully loaded. What happened to others? The reason we are asking is, if any doubts, we can help you. Is out of 26, I want at least 23 to be done. Leave me and Bhavani, like at least 20 more have to be done. Yes, 10 more have to be done. Yes, thank you. Please lower your hands. We crossed 11. Good, thank you.
Dr. Chandra, a quick confirmation.
Yeah.
Anyone from 3 months of publication participants, hope you can download the protein, right? Because the thing is, Chandra, you know what? We have actually uploaded it in the drive of 15 days participants. For next batch of participants, I have done it from my end. So I kindly want to ensure whether they can download it.
So sorry, come again. Like this drive is not for everyone.
Yeah, the drive which you have done, which you have uploaded is for 15 days interns.
Oh, why
So
we are
it's not.
we
Yeah,
are
it's
having 2
quite
different
different.
drives.
2 different drives for those 2 batches actually. But I have done it from my end. I have just uploaded it to the 3-month batch student as well.
Fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just a quick confirmation. Those parts, group 1, 2, and 3. Hope you can see the manual and also the protein, right?
Ma'am, it's in Google Drive you are saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
In the Google Drive, I hope you can see the manual and also the recent protein file. Is that so? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Please,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
help me on downloading
Yes.
of the
And
protein?
on an
I'm
Apple, what's your issue?
I'm yet to download it. I don't know what's happening.
Okay, can you please refresh and check once? Hope you can see the file.
It should be visible like
I've
this.
refreshed.
All the 3 files.
I've been able
Thank
to
you, sir.
download the manual, but I'm unable to download the protein and the
I think it's issue at your end. You cannot download it. Others could see the file and they have downloaded it also.
Can we share in Telegram for him? Is that
I
possible?
should check with that. Yeah, I will check that. You can continue, Chandra. I will just try to share it in Telegram also.
Yes, Sonalapa will be supported by Telegram. Okay, please listen. Keep listening. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we have downloaded. Sorry, we have uploaded the protein. What is the next step then? What we have to do? We have to change the format. So initially, what format we have uploaded? I'll be very happy.
PDB.
Yeah, I'll be very happy if you guys are interacting. Good. PDB. Now, a standard format of an Autodoc is PDB Qt format. Okay. To make that, we have to click the icon in the navigator, right click, Autodoc, and make macromolecule. Come on, perform. It's quite simple. I'm clicking, right clicking it, and there will be a pop-up for Autodoc, and there is a pop-up for make macromolecule. If you are missing somewhere, please check the manual. I've given step by step. Yeah. How many of you observed a quick change in the figure? The 3D image. There was a quick change. Yeah, Tanvin have observed. What happened, Tanvin?
Sir, after clicking the option you clicked, so I also clicked the same and this figure changed, like
But you
the
couldn't.
protein changed.
Yes. Yeah, light blue color
Light blue
appeared.
color.
Yeah,
Yes.
light blue color appeared. That's answer for Tanvi. Light blue color appeared. What happened? The thing is, the answer is hydrogen got added. We are adding hydrogen at the ends. Clear? Okay. So we are preparing the protein. We are preparing the protein such a way it can interact with the ligand well. Because what kind of interaction it is going to make with the ligand? It is going to make an interaction called non-covalent interactions. For that, we are making it ready. Okay. So step number 3 is done. Can we move on to step number 4? Now our protein got inserted. It's time for us to insert the ligand. See, initially Autodoc will take nearly 1 hour to 1 hour 2 hours time. Now using this Pyrex, no, within 10 minutes if we can complete the docking. But we should be sure with choosing the protein and ligand. That is very important. Okay, moving on. How do we insert? It's a very tricky part. We will have a very small icon. Okay. Can you all see the small icon below? To access the icon, go to Open Babel. Click Open Babel. If you hover over it, just keep the mouse over it. There will be a pop-out that insert new item. Can you all see? And keeping the mouse here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please click that and try to upload your ligand. Now ligand will be visible at the right hand side. Come on, do everyone. I repeat, there will be an icon. There will be an icon in Open Babel, an icon called Insert New Item. Click that and upload the ligand. Done? Can we move on to step number 5? It's quite simple, I guess. So it's a confirmation. If your ligand have been successfully uploaded, you can see see the description of that ligand. Like you can see the formula, you can see the molecular weight, you can see the number of atoms, and so on so. And even you can see the file name. What file name you have stored, that file name will be visible here. Clear? Now, moving to step number 5, we are about to minimize the ligand. So Vasavi ma'am might have taught you what's the purpose of a ligand and why we have to minimize. Correct? Can we all do minimization? To do minimization in controls, there is a bar called control where we have clicked Open Babel. In that, click the ligand, right click and press minimize selected. Observe carefully. I am clicking here, right click and have your eye on right side. There will be a sudden quick change over there. Okay, minimize selected. Now it's a crucial part. What they are asking for? What is this UFF, MMF, and G chemical? Chemical. What are they? Anyone have initial ideas? And the answer is there in the respective title itself. What are they? What is written here? Yeah, they are
Force
called.
field.
They are all called force fields. So today's task will be, apart from your group task, an individual task will be what is called force field. Okay, and how they are relevant to Newtonian mechanics. How they are relevant to what? Newtonian mechanics. You all know Newton. In our school, we might have studied Newton with an apple. You all remember? What happened?
Yes, sir.
Apple falling on his head. What he discovered?
Gravity.
Gravity.
He only discovered gravity. Is it so?
No.
He not discovered gravity. Rather, he discovered very important thing. So I'm mentioning the term called discover. He not invented. He discovered that theory is happening. Hey, what Newton known for?
Inertia.
Yeah, inertia. There is a quite common term. Newton's law of motion.
Laws of motion.
Laws of motion. Can I say the very famous law? Newton's third law.
Every action has an equal and opposite.
Very good. Everyone knows that. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Correct. Rocket. The same way. What is the first law? F is equal to
And the
ma.
object is at rest. It says that the sunless external force. So
Very good. We need an external force, correct? The same with second law is F is equal to ma, correct? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Am I right? Why I'm talking all this? Using Newtonian mechanics, we are trying to understand the ligands in the form of bond stretching, bond rotation. Okay, if Newton is not there, scientists are struggling with Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger equation. You all know about Schrodinger. I don't want to go so depth. These are all physicists, okay, who try to solve the electronic configuration. Fine. I make it simple. See, each and we being a biomolecule, what these biomolecules are made up of amino acids, correct? Again, what are these amino acids are made up of? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Apart from that, there will be sulfur if it is a thio group. These are all important. Apart from that, each and every atom will be having n number of electrons, correct? So scientists have struggled in studying an electronic way. If you are studying an electronic way, note it very clearly. It is called quantum. I am typing in chat. If you want, you can make a note of it. So there are two important theory in bioinformatics, structural bioinformatics. One is molecular dynamics, or I put in the correct term, molecular mechanics. So it deals with atoms. There is another term called quanta. Have you heard of this fancy term called quantum mechanics, which deals with electrons? Clear now? Atoms and electrons. So why I'm saying all this? So force field is relevant to molecular mechanics, MM. In one of my paper, I shared my Google Scholar link. In one of my paper, I have discussed both quantum mechanics and molecular mechanics. I have just shared some images of it. If you are interested, you can go and browse through, or any paper in Research Hub, any paper in research profiles, you can check. Okay. Without further delay, I'm clicking OK. So let us go with the classical one. Clear? Just press OK and try to observe. We are choosing again conjugate gradient algorithm. There are again, you can also check what is the difference between conjugate gradient and steepest descent algorithm. Next class, I will ask this question. You should be ready to answer. Click OK. Once I click OK, suddenly something changed in the left side. Who can observe? You guys also can try again and say me what change you have observed. No one is observing something? A change in the left side? Guys, are you with me? Or do one thing. Those who are achieved till this stage, raise your hands. And those who know the answer, what happened here, please say me.
Initially, it was C16H12O6. Now it becomes C16H12O5.
Very good. What else?
The title is also changed.
Correct.
Force field is added, and I guess that number maybe it indicates some energy or something.
Exactly. You are great. So that UFF force field is added, and we are also having the energy value. So it is saying that using UFF force field, the ligand have energy minimized. Clear? Thank you. Don't lower your hands. Please keep your hands raised. Only 6 people completed.
Sir, can you please repeat what you said? I couldn't get it.
Yeah, I'll come again. Thank you. The thing is, I have said, can you see the term called UFF? As one of your friends have mentioned now, we have chosen the force field called UFF. Am I right? That force field is indicated here, and we are having a value. What value it might be? Yes, others can say what value it might be. Energy value. Clear? So it indicates that our ligand got energy minimized. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you, Tanvi. Yes,
Sir?
only 9 people. Yes, please.
Sir,
So, one oxygen atom got removed. So, will it not affect the molecule?
So it got minimized. It indicates that.
Will it not change the properties of the molecule?
No, not in, it will be a negligible amount. Might be, I have to cross check whether, see if we have, it's a very good question. We have to cross check where the oxygen was initially present. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And one more thing, each and every protein and ligand requires different optimization. Fine. Like each
Okay,
and
sir. So,
we also have to change with different algorithms and check through. See, we have shown some
oh,
algorithms, right? UFF. And I also have to
yes, sir.
change the steepest descent and conjugate gradient.
Yes, sir.
But since
So,
we are dealing
sir,
with, yes,
so this energy is the least energy at which this molecule is the most stable.
here, okay, here you don't confuse with binding affinity.
Okay.
Okay, here in background, the molecule is converting in different shapes. Can you see my hand? Like molecule will be in different conformations. Okay, and they will come
Okay,
to a
sir.
conformation where this is a stable position.
Okay, sir.
And the algorithm stops over there.
Okay, okay,
The
okay.
participants who are registered for CADD MD program, you can understand we are going to do in a very wide scale. Okay, we'll create a box, actual box. We'll allow the actual water molecules as in the biological system. Then we will let the molecule to act in that situation. Now the minimization happen in vacuum. There is no water molecules or something. And we are stereochemically setting the molecule. Clear? Good. I'm happy that you are
Yes, sir.
having some intellectual questions, you guys. Any more doubts or clarity you want?
hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have one doubt related to protein. One, once I make the select the micromolecule option, it not indicating me the PDBQT format option. It's directly loading and showing the change protein kind of thing.
Yeah. See, actually here you can't observe anything. I'll come to that point. All your molecules will be saved in some other folder.
Okay.
It's in background, your folder is getting saved. Do you want me reveal? Do you all want me to reveal now, or let us do after the after every steps are done? I think Indranil, you can wait. Okay,
Yes,
after every steps are done, you remind me. I'll show you the folder.
yes, sir.
For me, my default folder is my desktop. But others, don't worry. I'll say you the task how to find the folder. Clear? Whatever the action I'm doing now is keep on getting saved here. Clear? What is today's date? 11/6, right? Yeah. By date wise, you will get stored. I'll show. Let me go back. Yes, done. Only 6 people. What happened to others? You couldn't achieve this state? And don't worry, if you couldn't achieve, please wait and observe. See, Onalapo, the thing is, there are two important force field. One is conjugate gradient, other is steepest descent. I have given them as a homework for you guys. I'll type the name. You guys check and come. Next class, we'll discuss this. I'd be more happy if someone of you are going to answer this tomorrow. Steepest descent. Okay, this is about force. These are about algorithms. And regarding force fields, we have several force fields. Okay. Yeah, coming back. Now this step is done. We have minimized the algorithm. We have minimized the ligand. Now it's time for us to save the ligand. To save the ligand, again, right click and convert the ligand into PDBQT format. Clear? Now I have converted. So immediately you can see it got converted. Can you all see? You guys seeing the icon?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it got converted into PDBQT. So both of our proteins and ligands got converted. So if you're having any doubts, feel free to check the manual. I have given step by step, like control, select one ligand, right click and convert the Autodoc ligand to PDBQT format. Clear? So far, what we have done? Can someone summarize? All the 6 people can lower your hands. Thank you so much. Yes. What we have done so far? Look at the manual and say. So we started uploading the protein first. Yes. Then once we upload the protein, then we converted, saved into PDBQT format directly. Okay. At the meantime, our protein have added the hydrogen bonds and added the hydrogen, it got it ready. Then using open Babel option, I've uploaded my ligand. Then what I did with my ligand? What is the step? See, I'm a kind of a classroom person. In my class, I'll make my students to keep on talk with me. But being in online, I feel this is a disadvantage, correct? You don't like to talk with me, guys?
So we minimize the energy of the molecule.
Very good. Yes, Vladimir. We minimize the energy. Followed by that, we also save this as PDBQT format.
PDBQT format, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vladimir. So Vladimir is my best friend. He's answering me. Yes. To answer someone's question, I forgot the name, who asked whether we are picking the lowest state. No, we are running nearly 200 steps. If you time permits, you also can increase the steps. Later on, you can play with this Pyrex. Like out of 200 steps, we have chosen one step for start. We are giving a condition. What condition we are giving? Can you all observe? We are given a condition called when we are achieving the energy difference of 0.1, stop there. So it got stopped over there. Clear? That is about the algorithm. Moving on. So both of our things are ready now. Now it's time for us to set the grid. You guys know what is called grid? Any idea? Or you're
So
familiar?
can you repeat?
Yeah, grid, GRID. Any idea what is called grid?
Grid is kind
I
of
think
like
it's a
box.
box to guide the ligand.
Sorry,
So
come
where
again.
to examine them.
Come again.
It's like a box
Very
that
good.
will
It's like
guide
a
where the
box.
ligand will be binded to the protein.
Yeah, it's like we are building a cage. You have watched WWE or any cricket ground. We are having a boundary, right? So we are going to set a boundary. In thermodynamic terms, we are trying to make a system. Around the system, everything is surroundings. So it's time for all of us to refresh our physics basics and chemistry basics. Okay, learn thermodynamics, learn Newtonian mechanics. It will be easy for us to understand what is happening behind. Clear? Yeah, to show this is called grid box. So let us try to bring this grid box now. Yes. To bring this grid box, observe carefully. You have to choose the exact ligand. Since I'm performing for a longer time, I couldn't clear my history and I don't want to delete my software. So I'm getting these many ligands. But in your case, you will get only one ligand and one receptor. So there won't be any confusion. Select both of them and you will have a button down. Okay, to forward. Then you have to click forward. Clear? Observe carefully what I'm doing. So ligand is selected. In the meantime, I have to go to Autodoc Wizard. Autodoc Wizard. And I have to click enable the option called select molecules. Right? So ligand is already selected. and protein is also selected. Then I'm pressing forward button. Quite simple. Choosing ligand, choosing protein, and clicking forward. Come on, do everyone. If you come to the stage, please raise hands.
Sir, I wanted to know if there are any, like for the grid center, we have to maintain these X, Y, and Z coordinates, right? Like the same.
Yeah, we are going to adjust now.
Okay.
We are not going to do as it is, we are going to adjust now. Before that, I want to ensure everyone came to the stage.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm not able. I'm able to see the grid, but not able to see the protein or ligand. I've selected it, but
It is clearly indicating that you are not converted into PDBQT format. Your protein is still a protein.
no, sir. In the Autodoc wizard, it's giving me in the ligands there is our ligand, and in macromolecules in the protein it is dot PDBQT. Both are there.
Can you see both the format as PDBQT, Indranil?
Yes, sir. Dot PDBQT.
Very good. Then have you chosen the have you chosen like this? Have you went to Autodoc wizard? This
Yes.
button have you enabled?
Yes.
Then you have to literally choose this and this. Have you clicked that? Both of them.
So,
See, before that, also ensure that you have select molecules.
yes, sir. It's indicating one ligand is selected, and I have to add micromolecules and then select.
Yes, you have to click the macromolecules also.
Okay.
Then you press forward. Try that. If you're not getting, let me know. What happened? Only two. No one is getting to the stage. Yes, please answer. We are waiting for your response to proceed further.
Sir, to add micromolecules, it's showing me which folder I have to browse.
No. I think, just a minute. Ms. Bhamani, can we give an access for Indranil to share his screen?
Yes, all participants have access to share screen.
Okay.
Indra, could you please try now?
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen. I'll help you.
I've sent the request.
Access was given already. Can you please try?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Others, please don't lower your hands. Keep your hands raised. Those who are done till grid stage, please keep your hands raised.
Please, I cannot find where to save my protein as PDBQT.
Just a minute. I'm hearing some voice. Who is speaking? Let me know who is speaking.
Please.
It's
Yes,
Mr.
Anolapo. What doubt? Come again.
I cannot find PDBQT. I want to save the macromolecule as PDBQT, but I can't find it here. I can only see save as PDB.
You couldn't find PDBQT. Have you saved it properly?
I've not saved it yet. I only loaded it. Then now I want to save it. I can only see display, Autodoc, save as PDB, remove send.
Wait. I will come back to you. We'll come back to you. Let us finish for first this guy, Indrani. We'll come back to you. Yeah, thank you. So only 5 people have done. I want others to do. If not, type your queries in chat. Manalapa, you also can type your queries in chat in meantime.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Indranil, your screen is visible. See,
Yes.
there's a problem with your protein and ligand. Go back. Let me see. First, click your protein. Double click your protein. It's there. It came.
Oh.
The thing is, your protein is there. You're not enabled the protein.
Oh.
Now you can see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
You can rotate the molecule. Please rotate the molecule.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't open anything else. Close. Rotate it. Left click and rotate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now it's there. You can stop sharing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Onalapa, you can share your screen. In the meantime, others, keep your hands raised if you're done. Onalapa, are you hearing me? Please share your screen.
I can hear you. I want to share my screen.
Sorry.
I said I can hear you. I'm sharing my screen already.
Yeah, fine. Good.
Can you see my screen now?
No, it's still loading, I guess.
Can you see it
Yeah, now we can see, yes. So where is your ligand?
This is my ligand.
Double click it. Yeah, macromolecule is there. That's for sure. Double click it. Choose your ligand. You go to Autodoc Wizard. Go below. Can you see in controls below? Can you see Autodoc Wizard?
Yeah.
Click that.
Yeah. Okay.
There is an option for select molecules. Please click that. Yes. Now you choose your protein and ligand. First, you click your protein.
Now I have not been able to save my protein as PDBQT.
No, your protein is already in PDBQT. It's very visible there.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay,
Let me complete. Since you are there in my screen, I'll complete. Open the protein, maximize the protein. Yes. Now choose both of them.
Okay, I choose this one.
Yes.
And this.
Simply click. Now click forward. Yeah, it is chosen. Click forward now. Can you see a forward button at your top, at your bottom end, bottom right? Hey, at the corner, man, bottom right. Go to that side. You are in left. Go to right. Yes. Forward.
I can't. Let me adjust this. What is it called? The zoom.
Your voice is so feeble. Yes, click that. Yes.
Forward now.
Click. Yes, you're done. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yes. So only 8 hands have been raised. So Indranil and Onalapa, please raise your hands. If you're done. You got that stage, right? Yeah, thank you all. You can lower your hands. I think half of the crowd have completed. Thank you. You can lower your hands. We are moving forward. Thank you. You can lower your hands. So the thing is, sorry, I forgot to share my screen. I'll share now. Mr. Karthik, you can lower your hands. Yeah, next stage is quite easy and fun-loving activity because we want to fit this protein in all the 3 dimensions. In the right-hand side, left-hand side, can you see the 3 dimension where I'm highlighting, showing the arrow? Now, we are going to adjust the grid box in such a way it fits everywhere. While I'm adjusting, you can see that there is a change in the number. Clear? Why I'm saying it's a fun-loving thing, if you adjust on one side, other sides, it's not fitting properly. Okay, I'll say the mouse options. Just you have to click the left button in the mouse and choose this and extend. If you want to move the entire box from one side to other side, click in the center and then you can move the box like this. Clear? And if you want to cover the molecule, just zoom in, zoom out using a scroll bar. Am I making sense? Make it fast. And rotate in all directions and ensure that your molecule got fit inside. So ensure in all directions and also ensure that you're not left any unwanted gap. You try to adjust some gaps and check is there, yeah, fine tuning you have to do. Yes. So I'm ensured in all 8 directions. It's fitting. Clear? Hope you guys might have achieved this stage. I give 2 minutes. Make it fast. Yeah. Those who have done can raise so that we can go to the next stage. It's quite dramatic. Like it's fun loving activity. You can easily place. Only 6 people done so far. What happened to others? Okay, let other people do. I'll explain the next step. Next step, we are going to perform Vina Wizard. In Vina Wizard, there is a very important term you can see. Exhaustiveness. Can you see the term below? Exhaustiveness. For running Vina Wizard, you have to change the option here. In the controls, you have to choose this Vina Wizard. Okay. And you should observe a thing called exhaustiveness. See, and again in Vina Wizard, there will be an option called Run Vina in the third button. Okay, thank you everyone. You can lower your hands. Please listen. See, my dear friends, I'll say again. Initially, we were in Autodoc Wizard. Am I right? Now it's time for us to move on to nearby wizard called Vina Wizard. In Vina Wizard, click there and go to Run Vina. Can you see the arrow mark? Go to Run Vina. If you go to Run Vina, you can see a button called Run Vina option, and there will be a letter called exhaustiveness. So exhaustiveness is none other than how many number of independent docking simulations can be run. Okay. For example, I'm given the number 8. It means that our software will try for 8 initial confirmations of ligand. I can also increase this number. What is the purpose of increasing this number? This purpose of increasing the number.
Sir, in that way, we can check the confirmations of our ligand, means how much times it can be able to fit in the base confirmation.
Exactly. Clear? Yes. So hope you're done, completed this stage. Can we move forward? Then
Dr.
yesterday,
Shankar, hope you're not sharing your screen.
yeah. Sorry. I've not noticed. I'll do. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Done, everyone? Yes, if you're done to this stage, come on, press run me now. Once I run me now, my right side, my screen will change. And you can observe my system is running the talking simulation. Since we had chosen only one protein, it took matter of minutes to complete. Sorry, matter of seconds to complete. It all depends upon your how much RAM you have in your system. Your docking will be completed.
So we have to click on forward button.
Why you are there? I asked you to come to this stage. Have you came here?
Yes, sir. Came here.
Vina wizard, run Vina. Don't press forward. You have to press run Vina.
Okay, sir.
See, my dear friends, I come again. It's for your clarity. Each and every step I given line by line. Don't click anything, any other buttons because you have to redo them. Look at here. Where I have to press forward, I have mentioned it's forward. Okay. Finally press forward. Here what I have mentioned in step number 7. Indranil, I'm not saying you, I'm saying I'm mentioning your name and I'm saying for everyone else. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vina wizard and run Vina. Clear everyone?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why are we not increasing the exhaustiveness?
Because many of our system is not supporting for this, no? That's the reason. For system reason.
Okay, sir.
When you're doing a research activity, definitely you can increase.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See, it's sky is the limit. You guys can try every options. It's up to us. Okay. Just I have given an optimized method here. Hope everyone came to the stage. You should have seen a high number of values here. Don't forget about my system because I have done many things before. That's why I'm getting many values. In your case, you should have got 9 rows. Are you all getting 9 rows?
Yes, sir.
What does the 9 rows indicates? It indicates that 9 steps they tried to achieve. 8 steps. In the meanwhile, as shown in the manual, you guys have to see like this. A button, a running screen, like output of this, so and so random search is happening. And you should see the set of results. Now it's time for you to easily find which is the best complex. Of course, the first one is the best complex, correct? The question is, I have given only one protein, one ligand. How I got these many complexes? What might be there in the output?
Sir, I don't know the exact reason, but can I make a guess?
Yes, please.
Sir, within the grid box that we defined, there might be other type of molecules as well, like oxygen, hydrogen. So maybe because of that, the binding affinity is.
No. Not that.
Sir, does it include all the good binding positions of the ligand and
You are
the
right. You are right. So it is trying to make, I'm looking for a pen. It is trying to make different poses, binding poses. See, for example, okay, I couldn't find a pen. The thing is, this is the protein, this is the ligand. You can see the screen. My camera is on, right? Okay. Imagine this pen is this is my wife's thing. Now this is my ligand. This is my protein.
Sir, your
Okay.
camera is not able to see.
My camera is not on?
No, sir.
No, it should be on.
Means we are able to
Camera
see the
is on,
manual.
but we couldn't see what you're trying to show.
Okay.
Camera is on.
Yeah, can you see the screen?
Yes, now it's fine.
Yeah, thank you. This is my protein, this is my ligand. See, this ligand is trying to bind in different ways. Okay. The first case is 0, where my ligand fit in properly. My ligand fit in properly. Other 8 poses, no, my ligand tried in different ways. It tried in this way. It tried in this way. Clear? I hope in tomorrow's session, we will be able to visualize all this. See, in all 8 different poses, the software have determined this pose is having a good energy of less RMST. Clear? What is the binding affinity of it? Minus 9.4. Hope everyone are getting the same? Or whatever might
Yes,
be.
sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So sorry to interrupt you again, but I'm getting binding affinity at 0.
Binding affinity is 0.
Yes, sir. I'm getting mode as 8 modes and the 9 results which you have talked about. RMSD and upper bound and lower bound, but binding affinity, I'm getting all 0.
Okay. Then entirely you have to repeat the step. Don't worry. After this, you try.
Yes, sir.
You close all the softwares. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And right from the beginning, you try step by step. Indranil, don't forget, even you don't miss even a single step.
Yes, sir.
Your recording will be available. Anyhow, the manual is more than enough. Okay. Follow one by one and try.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Please, I have about 3 questions.
Please, one by one.
The first one, why didn't we add hydrogen to the protein and the ligand?
Okay. Then you missed my discussion. The thing is, we have to make an okay. Rather I am answering. I want other participants to answer. If you listen me properly, who is going to answer? The question is from. May I know your good name, please? Vladimir? Onalapo only. You only asked me.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, Onalapo. Yes. Who is going to answer Onalapo? His question is, why we have to add hydrogen to the protein? Just 10 minutes, 15 minutes before I answer this. I want any other active participant to answer this. Who is going to help him?
Why didn't we add? Why didn't we add?
Yeah, why we have to add? Yes, I have answered this. Let us wait for your friends to answer. Who is going to help him? What is the reason of adding hydrogen to a protein? No one is clear with this? Many one are having doubts? Just 10 minutes before I explain. What I have explained is, we have to make a non-covalent interaction. Am I right? How do you find a protein with a ligand? To make it ready, hydrogen have to be there. First of all, what is called hydrogen bond? You all heard of what is called hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond is none other than it's a bond between a hydrogen atom and an electronegative group. Can you see the Google image here? My dear friends, can you see the Google image here?
Yes, sir.
So between what and what the hydrogen bond is made? Yes, it's between two hydrogen or between hydrogen and oxygen. Can you see here? That's the reason we need both the protein and ligand to be hydrated. Clear? Nulapa, I'm answering your question. This is your question?
Yes. I'm with you.
Yeah.
So
Welcome.
are you saying when we had water molecule, that means we have added hydrogen atom to both the ligand and the...
It's not water molecule. We are adding only the hydrogen. Hydrated.
Okay. Thank you. Then my second question is, now I think what we are actually doing is auto docking.
Yes.
Can we have a specified docking?
Yes, very good. Nice question.
To a particular
yes, we can do. That is again a next step. Like we have to find the binding packets and we have to adjust the grid in that way. So the second question is really appreciable. Onalapa is having a valid question. Like, can I focus on a particular area? To answer your question, others please note, whatever we did now is called blind docking. What it is called? blind docking. So blind docking refers to we are choosing the entire protein. We are not sure with the particular receptor site. But there is another docking called site-specific docking. Site-specific docking where we can choose the site. So in that case, you want to know your protein molecule and you have to adjust the grid in that way. Okay. That is not the scope of our discussion, but anyhow, you can give a try. It's all about adjusting the grid. Or in classical Autodoc, we had an option of select from string, but I've checked this is not available in this version. Okay, select from string, or there is also an option for choosing the site. Clear?
Sir, is there any automatic option? So instead of manually dragging and extending the size of grid, automatically it will cover either a particular site or complete protein.
That I have to check. I'll check and say. But to my knowledge, we have to adjust manually. That is more precise. And
Okay.
one more thing, definitely there is an option in Autodoc, classical Autodoc, where we just type the comments and it will it fit by itself. But that is so tedious because for doing classical Autodoc, we need 4 different softwares to do. And we have n number of input files to do. Clear? But Pyrex, yes, Pyrex is so friendly. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Sir, why aren't we minimizing the protein also?
Protein is already minimized, right? You all remember? Protein is already an optimized structure, correct?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we had a special
Yes,
thing.
yes,
I think ma'am might have taught you Ramachandran plot. I have seen in your
yes,
reports
Yes,
also.
sir. Yes, sir.
She might have
she
taught
did.
you the reason for minimizing. And once the minimization is done, our proteins got fit in. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I'm glad that most of you are asking questions. It means that you are actively participating. Good.
Please, I want to ask another question.
Yes, please.
Please, I discovered that when you go through many written articles, you discover that people use different tools for docking.
Oh,
Is there any specified?
You gone through my articles?
Yeah, you see that people use different tools for docking.
Yes, yes, yes.
Is there any specific one that must be used, or all are permitted to be used?
See, bioinformatics is an ocean, man. Like other domains, bioinformatics, many universities are developing their own system. Clear? So these are different methodologies. Based upon your requirement, we have to fix in. But mostly this Autodoc is highly recognized software for protein ligand. Okay. When you're doing different macromolecules like protein, then we have several other servers and softwares. Same way, if you're going for protein DNA, again, we have several things. Clear? But a classical thing is we are looking for a drug discovery. So most of the drugs, I think 80% of the drugs are phytocompounds, which is in market. Okay. Those phytocompounds are chemical molecules where we make a protein and a ligand. Clear? You can explore a lot. This is a starting point. See, this session, the entire 15 days CADD program is an eye opener for you, all of you. Hope you all enjoying my our lecture series, our practical sessions.
Yes, sir.
I would be happy if you're giving a
Thank
thumbs
you.
up. Yes, yeah. We are trying to make it as much as live, you know. Yeah, I received a heart from David. Thank you, David. Yes. See, do you know the schedule time? The schedule time is only 9 in Indian time, but we are always taking half an hour extra. We are ensuring that everyone get satisfied with each and every sessions. Clear? Okay, thank you. That's all for today. If you are done with that, tomorrow is very important for us. We have to discuss the interactions. Meanwhile, I given the ligand names for each and every team from team number 4 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5 teams I have given. For first 3 teams, you will receive a mail tomorrow. Clear? And we'll also discuss in the group. Meanwhile, I want all the teams to interact each other. All the team members to interact each other. See, sorry to say, This team officially will be there for the next 5 days for the team number 4 to 8. Later on, you can be your friends. There is no stoppage there. But for first 3 teams, we are going to travel 2 more months. So try to interact each other. That's all I can say. Clear?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you are gonna show the how to browse to that folder initially, means where will be our PDBQT file are saved.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, man, for reminding. I'll make it quick.
Sorry, sir, for.
Yeah. Very good, very good. I really forgot. Okay. To show that, edit preferences. Is my screen visible?
Yes,
I
sir.
stopped sharing.
No, sir, your screen is visible.
Your screen is visible, Chandru.
Yeah, thank you. See, listen. Can you see the code I have just given? Go to the Pyrex. There will be an option called edit and preferences, where you can see your workspace. There will be a folder called workspace. Can you see the workspace, everyone? If I know where my workspace is in desktop, and there is a folder called Pyrex. While you are installing, you might have defined. If you couldn't find it, no worries. Copy that, go to any random folder and paste this. See, I'm going for any random folders. Okay, and I'm pasting this. Pasting the URL. Clear? When I'm pasting the URL, I can end up in my desired folders. So the files are here. We will discuss the results tomorrow. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, and
Yes, Indrani. So again, I repeat, it's in workspace. Yes.
Sir, we can change this workplace also, right? Means, if you want.
It's up to you, man. You can try.
Yes, sir. And sir, just one last doubt.
Yes.
The grid size is more than it desired, then it will give zero interaction, or is it like that? Means
So interactions will be there, but we are making the software to struggle, right?
yes.
There will be high chance of misinterpretation.
Yes, sir.
From our side, manually, we have to place the grid properly so that we are making the system to act effectively.
Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Your application means, Miss Fatima, you're saying about your Pyrex. In chat, I can see. You can try installing again. You can't open Pyrex, no worries. Go uninstall and install again. If you're facing still, put that query in the chat. We'll check. Thank you all. It's already 9:30 here, and I'm happy to get your feedbacks. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Dr. Chandru.
Thank you.
Thank you for staying with us till now.
Yes,
And
thank you.
participants, we have shared the feedback form. Kindly fill it out. And the post session, you will be receiving the session recordings. As mentioned already, if you have any doubts, kindly make use of our Telegram discussion forum. A quick reminder to first group 1213, you will be receiving an official mail regarding your protein and recon by tomorrow. Until then, thank you all. Thank you all for joining. Let's meet tomorrow by the same time.